It's a simple way to take the water away from your house, open drains, and they work really good and no problems at all. You can take the water any way you want from your land out to the nearest lower point. So we do a lot. We've done about maybe 20 right round the property. Today we have to clean them out though, but even going under the house is no problems at all. And then just when you put the PVC down, just wrap it in concrete. Then that's it. Then over here, exactly the same. You know, I want the water of the garden to drain out. So there's a lot of water comes here, goes into that drain. Then from here, right across the garden, there's 3 small manholes for the water to go in, and it goes right past that blue tank into the land at the back. This side's the same, you know, just open drain. Take the rainwater from the roof, falls into the drain. Then the water, my shower's exactly the same. Shower comes out, goes into the drain, and the water for the shower goes out the property. Nothing difficult. Easy to do. And super low cost. There's 2, there's one here as well, for the water for this garden, goes down to this one and goes out. Hello Levi. You're checking the drainage, yeah? But if you don't want to do that, I mean, no other alternatives is water in your garden to flood it. That's a small one, just a small open one to collect the water from the back of the house. And then same again, 4-inch pipe. And then take the water out, right out the property. And then down here, you make manhole covers and you just take the water straight over. Look how much water's in the field there coming from this property. So a lot of property water goes over the fields. You can do that. Same with the washing machine there. The pipe goes underground here, hits that wee drain there, then straight out the resort as well. So, but if you do the open drain, you'll have no problems at all for water. And then easy to manage, very easy. You have to go down. This one's a smaller one, this is a 4-inch, but in the centre of the resort it's a 6-inch. Then the same this side, you can have 4-inch to collect a lot of water, and then all the water for the side of the pool and the overflow for the pool. You get the drainage right and you'll have no problems at all to look after your property. Okay, oh, that was a bit slidey. Okay, let's go and get a cup of coffee now.